Kilig, saya at excitement. Literal na nag-collab ang mga kapuso at kapamilya housemates to give back sa fans para sa kanilang The Big Collab FanCon. At sinuklian niya ng grabing energy from the crowd na OA din ang props at pag-cheer. Ichichika yan ni Aubrey Carampel.
Pagpasok pa lang pasabog agad ang PBB Celebrity Collab Edition housemates sa The Big Collab FanCon. Sulit ang bitbit na LED signs, banners at light sticks ng fans na pumuno sa Araneta Coliseum. And the energy went up pa sa moment ni na AZ and Charlie. Together glowing din ang Asver duo ni na AZ at River sa kanilang dance number. And with their voices, nangharana ang PBB boys habang namimigay ng flowers sa audience. Ang ilang girls naman, talagang golden sa rampa performance.
Sobrang laki ba salamat po namin. Binabalik lang po talaga namin lahat sa kanila po.
Sana maparamdam namin yung pagmamahal nila kasi all throughout our journey parang puro sila yung nagbibigay sa amin.
Really thankful talaga sa efforts nila kasi I saw people flying to Manila just to watch the show.
Ibang klase talaga yung support na binibigay sa amin. Grabe yung feeling.
Done hiding na rin ng dating Little Mika dahil ang dati niyang viral meme song na Sino Nga Ba Siya, officially released streaming song na dinuet nila ni Clarice. Shining din ang Cheres duo ni na Charlie at Esnir sa breathtaking cheer dance number. Dahil sa kanilang chemistry, tila born naman para kakiligan ang ships ng collab from the big winner duo na Breka ni na Brent and Mika to Az Ralph ni na AZ at Ralph at Kish ni na Kira at Josh. Pero ang pinaka-OA sa kilig ang love triangle ni na Dustin, Bianca at Will. Waited so long to break walls ang atake ni Will. But these patterns in the past ang atake ni Dustin. Bianca tried to play both sides pero ang ending, Das Will pala ang layag. Laro.
Sorry kung tinapakan ko yung love team nyo, ha? Araneta, sabay-sabay!
Together glowing din sina Miss Universe Philippines 2023 Michelle D with Blanc and Esnir sa Disney's Child Reunion. Golden din si Ma'am Castro with voices of Rawi while dancing. Si Will may impromptu actingan pa with Cyril. May moment muli ang PBB boys with their A-front rod. In between production numbers, no fears, no lies naman sa Q&A with housemates, tampok ang juicy questions from fans. After dreaming hard, they came so far, born to be glowing.
Sobrang nakakataba ng puso na, minamahal nila kami unconditionally.
Naiyak ako kasi parang grabe ang now na nakalabas na kami ng bahay ni Kuya grabe talaga yung suporta nila sa amin ni Bianca.
At dahil sa kanilang fans, the housemates now believe they are the stars they're meant to be.
We formed a family inside the house and that explains the essence of collab really for me.
We're so grateful for them. Grabe yung support nila for us and this is our way rin of giving back to them.
Naroon din para sa kanilang moment, sina GMA Network Senior Vice President Attorney Annette Gozon Valdez, Sparkle First Vice President Joy Marcelo.
Hindi to nagtatapos sa concert dahil marami pa ibang nakaplano na collab with our housemates. So abangan nila yan.
Aubrey Carampel, updated sa showbiz happening.